Make a great choice today with the 2024 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates, electronic stability control, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.